In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your ClickUp Workspace. Whether you're a team leader, onboarding new members, or simply collaborating on a project, inviting individuals to your workspace is a straightforward process. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to start by locating the invite option on the left side of your screen. This is your gateway to adding new contributors to your workspace. Once you've found the invite option, you'll click on it. This will bring up a window where you'll enter the name or email address of the person you wish to invite. It's important to ensure accuracy here so that the invitation reaches the right person. After you've entered their details, it's time to decide what kind of access you'd like to give them. ClickUp offers several options, each suited to different levels of collaboration. You can choose to add them as a limited member, which gives them restricted access to certain elements of the workspace. This is great for keeping control of what they can view and interact with. If they need more access, consider inviting them as a guest. This role offers more functionality but still keeps some limitations in place. For those who will actively manage projects, the admin role provides full permissions to make changes and oversee workspace activities. Additionally, if you have specific needs, you can create a custom role tailored to the individual's responsibilities. To do this, simply click on the Add Custom Role option, which allows you to set permissions that are just right for your team member. Once you have decided on the appropriate role and made your selection, take a moment to review your choices. If everything looks good, go ahead and press Send Invite. ClickUp will send a notification inviting them to join your workspace. It's as simple as that. So there you have it. That's how to add someone to your ClickUp Workspace. By following these steps, you ensure that your team can collaborate efficiently and securely, aligning everyone with their respective roles and responsibilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support makes it easier to create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.